Here's step-by-step guide how to change language on ByBit account. So first of all, open up your ByBit application on your phone or on your PC. And after that, log in into your account. So now I'm gonna tap on profile icon at the top left corner. And then I'm gonna tap on gear at the top right corner. And now I can scroll down until you find Universal section, and here you can tap on language and just choose language that you want to use. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about ByBit. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up on this video.